Here I have Mercedes EQA, and on this example let me show you how to use direct commands on the all Mercedes cars. So, all you need to do right now is use the following screen. Swipe to the left a few times until you see the following icon, so the settings. Let's choose here settings. From the following list you need to go to the system. Under system you've got the voice assistant tab, and then you should enable the following feature, the hey feature. I cannot say this word because you know what happened. I will activate the voice assistant, but you have to make sure that you've got this feature enabled. Then if you have enabled this feature, you can use the following settings icon, and here you can enable or disable the direct commands. You can tap information. Right now the car is using only those two functions, so you can unmute or mute music without saying the voice assistant. So let me show you how it works. So from every screen you can just say mute music, mute music. Sometimes it's not working as we wish to work. Mute music. As you can see, there is an icon with muted music, so you can just use it without saying hey Mercedes. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.